जिसका डर था वही हुआ. Yes, NEET exam 2026 has been cancelled and the re-exam is not still announced. Breathe. I know exactly how you're feeling right now. That sinking feeling in your chest when you heard that the paper got leaked. The anger, the helplessness, the what was the point of all of those sleepless night kind of feeling. I see you, I feel you, and you're not overreacting. This was unfair, really unfair. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए था. Thousands of you poured your blood, sweat, and tears into this. You sacrificed vacations, friends, hangouts, even your mental peace, and then this happened, which was not supposed to be happened. See, it's okay to feel devastated. It's okay even to sob a little. It's okay to be furious. Your feelings are valid. But listen, this re exam is not the end. It's your second chance. The NTA has announced the re exam, and this time the paper will be under heavy security. Your hard work still counts. Yes, it really does. See, all those concepts that you have drilled into your brain, they are still inside you, right? So the re exam is a proof that the system is trying to correct its mistake. So, without any negative thoughts, my dear students, this is the moment where real champions are born. Not when everything goes perfectly right, but when everything falls apart and you still choose to show up. So, please, it is my request, give yourself 1 to 2 days to feel everything. Then you stand up again, shake it off, and get back to your books with even more fire. You have done it once and you can do it again. And this time, you're going to do it stronger. You're not alone in this. Lakhs of students are feeling the same pain, but also the same determination. Use the anger as a fuel. Revise smartly, focus on high weightage topics, take care of your health, and sleep on time. You have got this. The universe is watching how you rise after being knocked down. हार के जीतने वाले को ही सिकंदर कहते हैं. Also be informed that no fresh registration or extra fees will be required for this examination. Students are advised to follow only official NTA updates. Do not go after any kind of rumors. I am rooting for you so hard. Drop a heart in the comment if you are going to fight back. I'll be dropping more quick tips and motivation for re-exam. So stay tuned. You are stronger than this setback. Your comeback story starts now. This is Erish signing off today with a little broken heart, but a lot of positive hopes for your future. See you again.